know, coming in this competition, you think you can prepare. It's like everything you thought you knew flies out the window while you're going 90 on the highway.
We're still here. We get to send people home next week.
Who did you miss? I thought I would have chosen Fifi.
I don't know, man.
I don't either. I don't know if I could do it.
Who gave us the responsibility? As the competition progresses, it's going to get more difficult. I just got my little teapot in, and it is adorable. It's a 32-ounce one, and I gotta say how heavy duty it is, and it's got the little screen inside. If you ever want something that's sort of durable but small, this is a great teapot. Thumbs up, you guys. Nice job.